Hey everybody, today I'm going to be letting you in on an incredible affiliate program that allows you to earn an insanely high commission rate. Most affiliate programs offer you 25, 30, maybe 50% commissions, and some of the best out there can go as high as 80% if you can get accepted to join them. But what if I told you there was an affiliate program that was free to join, everyone gets approved and pays 566% commissions on every sale? Yes, you read that right. For every $15 sale, this company gives you $100. That kind of blows your mind, right? Not only that, but if you can promote this product, there are a ton of other products in this niche that you can promote to make even more money. And the best part is, this isn't an ebook or an online course or another information product. The program I'm going to show you today is actually a software that every business owner and entrepreneur can use. And the chances are you're already using something like it too. But before I reveal what the company is and how you can make these incredible commissions from them, if you're new here, I want to welcome you to my channel. My aim is to provide you with good quality, trustworthy information that will help you to succeed online as an affiliate marketer. So if you enjoyed today's video, please do subscribe to my channel and keep your eye out for my latest videos. I try and post 2 new videos each week. Okay, let's move on to today's topic. How to make money with this incredible affiliate program that pays an insanely high commission rate. Alright, so let's get straight to the point. The company is GetResponse. They're an awesome email service provider that has some of the best features and the best pricing in the industry. For just their simple $15 a month plan, GetResponse offers unlimited landing pages, autoresponder features, a full-blown sales funnel builder, and the ability to sell e-commerce products. That's more than your average online business or local brick and mortar would ever need, all for just $15 a month. But here's the crazy part that I was talking about in the beginning of the video. Let's check out their affiliate program. Now, they do have an option to earn 33% each and every month, which is a great plan if you're working with companies that have a large email list. But if you're just getting started, GetResponse will pay you $100 for every sale you make, and that includes their $15 option. So that's a 566% commission. I don't think there's a better deal in the industry right now. Now you might be thinking, that's great, but how do I actually promote this thing? There are a few options. First, you can create videos reviewing different email platforms like MailChimp, Aweber, etc. and show the features GetResponse offers. Just a hint on what to talk about. Their landing pages are still some of the best I've ever seen from an email service provider. Second, you could contact local business owners that could use email marketing and offer to show them how to set one up for free as long as they use your affiliate account. Look, there are so many small businesses from coffee shops to local handymen that don't use email marketing. If you just showed 10 of them how to get started for $15 a month, that's $1,000 in your pocket just for helping local businesses. Third, you can try starting your own email list on digital marketing that teaches people basic email strategies. The great part about this method is if you build your own email list, you can then promote other products in that niche to increase your earnings even more. Now, if you're thinking, this all sounds really good, but I don't really know enough about affiliate marketing to set this all up and make the most of this opportunity, well, that's okay. If you'd like to learn more about how affiliate marketing works, then if you look below in my description, you'll see a link which you can click to access a free online training video where my partner, a hugely successful affiliate marketer, will reveal the 4 steps you need to learn and apply to grow a profitable affiliate business today. I highly recommend you take a look at this video. It's free, there's no cost. All you need to do is click the link below this video and register for the free training video. by watching this free online video, you will know the 4 key things you need to learn and apply to become a successful affiliate. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a favour and click the like button. Also, please do leave a comment below this video, as I appreciate your feedback. And don't forget to look below in my description and click the link and watch the free training video. Thank you.